Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Pisces water sign for the month of October. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. This is monthly reading. So Pisces, let's see your recent past. Four of Wands, King of Cups, Ten of Cups. Wow, past is very good. Four of Wands and Ten of Cups, and you both are in union in past also. Definitely you both want this happiness with each other, and you both have strong emotions for each other. Definitely you both could be twin flames also, 11 and 11. Yeah, let's see what is going on your connection right now. Ace of Swords, Knight of Cups, lot of water energy. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Seven of Swords. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius also, because there was Seven of Swords and Ace of Swords. I think one person in this connection is very loyal. Definitely, because one person is like, this card is negative energy, definitely Seven of Swords. Games, manipulation, it could be you or your person, depending upon your situation. But truth coming out, Ace of Swords, some communication. Definitely you both will communicate regarding what is happening between both of you. But your person have strong emotions for you. They are coming, it is low energy, but there is some negative energy. So let's see some more messages regarding your connection. Page of Cups, King of Pentacles, Two of Cups. Wow, yeah, thus negative energy is going to be end between both of you, because one person want to communicate and give clarity, because Ace of Swords and Page of Cups, definitely they want clarity, and you want to give clarity to your person, or your person want to give clarity to you. Definitely there is stability is coming in your connection, because Two of Cups is here. You both love each other. At end of the day, what is happening between both of you, at end of the day you both will love each other unconditionally, and this connection is protected by the angels, and definitely stability is coming in your way. So let's see your person near future actions towards you, Pisces. Oh, yeah, Page of Swords, communication. Definitely there will some communication between both of you. Queen of Wands, Eight of Cups. I think your person, and under the deck, Four of Swords. Your person want to communicate, they stand by their power right now, and definitely in October. Queen of Wands, your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, because Queen of Wands, definitely they stand by their power, and even you are not giving what they want, they are ready to walk away from you. Eight of Cups, definitely. I think the one person who invests in this connection more is your person, I am getting, because that's why they are ready to walk away if you don't want to offer what they want. If you offer stability, love, definitely they will stay. So I think you in October you both will get clarity. So let's see thoughts from universe for final message, Pisces. Yeah, Five of Wands. I think you are going to fight for your person, fighting for your person, because they're walking away. Yeah, Eight of Pentacles. I think this time you want to work on this relationship seriously. Queen of Pentacles, your person is very loyal and very sharing, but they are holding their coin now. Yeah, Five of Pentacles, separation. Definitely if your person walked away from you and you are going to fight for your person, you are fighting for their attention, and this time you decided to work on this relationship. Eight of Pentacles, it is slow but stability. I think definitely you want to give clarity to your person about you want to work on this relationship, because this time your person stand by their power. Definitely they will communicate you. Definitely there will some communication is going to be happen. So please give clarity to your person. So this is the readings for you, Pisces. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.